That's audible activity of helicopter while under the fake moon and in engineered light, while the entity, again, that is very much special needs, is engaged in criminal activity, monitoring pursuant to Title 18, Section 22618, subsections 1 and 2. And the people of the state are engaged in stalking in concert with that special needs department, the Ontario Police Department. Okay, these series of oxymorons, no law enforcement agency that is special needs is actually having any impact. The only impact, it is criminal, and it's also threatening with regard to the demented mind state of the Ontario Police Department, the entirety of that agency, and proven through their criminal conduct, and also their engagement in what is incentivizing and sharing in criminal activity, which is severely demented with the people of the state. They're being removed from existence. For that, they're sounding helicopter activity, which is audible activity in the engineered light in relevant position while they're stalking. And again, their special needs status is their impulsive behaviors, which are detrimental to their own interests and the interests of the public, where they're going to be subject to a prosecution in court for criminal stalking. It is currently 12:59 a.m. This is the Ontario Police that's flying in circles. The helicopter activity is pursuant to criminal monitoring. It's relevant to the same psychological torture. This is what the special needs community engages in when they're gang stalking, and they're going to be prosecuted for that, while the demons engage in the same exact unlawful behavior while monitoring on my devices. Okay, this is P.O.C. It's 12:59 a.m. while the entity is engaging in the pattern of conduct, demonstrating inability to control oneself when you're being documented. So let me show you the light activity where you are aware of the special needs who are indeed stalking me. This is light activity that is inexplicable, and their corrupt behavior is also inexplicable. That's my hand that's appearing on a sign that I'm nowhere near that sign right now. This is speaking to the stalking conduct of the special needs. Their special needs is that which is rooted in demon possession. It's rooted in psychopathic and antisocial behaviors that are designed to psychologically harm another person, where they are acting in furtherance of murder and kidnapping. This special needs is a threat to the public, and this special needs population has no business in law enforcement. It's being disbanded. It's called the Ontario Police. They're going to be disbanded as the sex offenders that they are. They're monitoring right now while I'm uploading the podcast. Okay, it's audible activity in the form of helicopter. That's the highest threat, while the entity engages in what is the hallmark of stalking, using helicopters to engage in targeting an American citizen. This is P.O.C. It's 1 a.m. This is federal stalking under Title 18, while I am documenting, that is, processing the podcast of all the stalking that the City of Ontario engaged in concert with the Ontario Police Department. P.O.C.